ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। In Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written in stanzas 12 to 15. That is 4 consecutive stanzas. I shall be taking together because more or less the theme of these 4 stanzas is same. Just as the theme of stanzas 8 to 11 was about the condition of people who listen to things spoken about the mighty Lord. In the stanzas that follow, that is 11 to 15, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is talking about the condition of people who have just not only listened about the mighty Lord, but have also believed in Him. He talks about the ones who have the belief in their hearts and mind about the powers of the Lord. He says, मन्ने की गत कही न जाए, जे को कहे पिछे पछताए, कागद कलम न लिखण हार, मने का बा करन विचार, ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए, जे को मन जाने मन कोए, मने सुरत होवे मन बुद्ध, मने सगल पवन की सुध, मने मुँह चोटा न खाए, मने जम के साथ न जाए, ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए, जे को मन जाने मन कोए, मने मार्ग ठाक न पाए, मने पथ से ऊपर कट जाए, मने माग न चले पंथ, मनत धर्म सेती सन बंद, ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए, जे को मन जाने मन कोए, मने पावे मोख द्वार, मने परवारे सधार, मने तरतारे गुर सिख, मने नानक पावे न पिक, ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए, जे को मन जाने मन कोए. These are the 4 stanzas. He says, the ones who have finally come to believe in the powers of the Lord, their condition cannot be explained. He cannot, the person who has a firm belief in the God, in God's power, he cannot express his feelings. Manne ki gat kahi na jaye. The one who even tries to make an attempt, he regrets. Je ko kahe piche pachtaye. Kagad kalam na likhan har. Now, if one tries to write about the doings of the Lord, it's not possible to pen down all that the Lord is able to do in the papers with pen. The very fact that I am speaking and you are hearing me, if we want to interpret this itself into writing, it will take volumes. Because the language experts will have to come in. The language that I am using and you are able to follow it. How thoughts are taking place. The brain, the psychiatrist will come in. How my brain is able to think what I have to think. We have a common code between us. Say we are using the language English. I am getting the thoughts in my mind and then I am making use of the words, forming sentences, because I understand a bit of English and then I am putting it across through my tongue, and then the linguist will come in. The linguist will write their volumes of how I am uttering these sounds, and then how the sound is traveling from my mouth, how it is getting recorded in the mobile, how the mobile is transmitting the signals, how it is being put into YouTube, how YouTube is sending the messages to your house, how data plan is working. Just I'm giving you these examples to understand that it's not possible to write about all the doings of the Lord. This is what Nanak says, Kagad kalam na likhan har, mane ka bah karan vichar. The ones who believe, they can, all that they can do is sit and discuss about the mighty Lord. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. Lord's name is something out of the world. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. Only the ones who have tasted the the food of the Lord can only understand how it tastes. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. मने सुरत होवे मन बुद्ध. The ones who believe, their appearances become that of a satisfied person. मने सुरत होवे मन बुद्ध. मने सगल पवन के सुध. The ones who believe in the Lord, they can understand all the entire universe. They can understand. मने सगल पवन की सुध. मने मुँह चोटा न खाए. The ones who believe in the Lord, they get kind of peace in their mind and hearts. They don't get involved in wrong things, wrongdoings by which they have to be embarrassed. मने मुँह चोटा ना खाए. Their faces are not embarrassed ever. मने मुँह चोटा ना खाए. मने जम के साथ ना जाए. जम यानी जमदूत. The ones who believe, they are not taken away by the god of death. That is a way of saying that one's fear of death gets over. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. मने मार्ग ठाक ना पाए. The ones who believe, they do not face any obstacles in their path of progress. मने मार्ग ठाक ना पाए. मने मार्ग ठाक ना पाए. मने पथ से ऊपर कट जाए. The ones who believe, they get more and more respect in their path of success, in their lives. मने पथ से ऊपर कट जाए. मने मार्ग न चले पंथ. The ones who believe, they do not get entangled with any particular kind of religion. They don't say that my religion is good, your religion is bad. They never get entangled with that. For them, all the ways which lead to the mighty Lord, because they know that the Lord is one. Ultimately, we all are praying to the same Lord. मने मार्ग न चले पंथ. वो किसी पंथ से बंध के नहीं रहते. मने मार्ग न चले पंथ. मने धर्म सेती संबंध. They have direct relation with the religion. They do not remain hidden behind narrow-mindedness. For them, all paths are good. मने धर्म सेती संबंध. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. Only the ones who have taken to this understanding know the taste of this. Mane pave mokh dwar. The ones who believe, they are able to see the mention of the Lord. Mane pave mokh dwar. Mane parvare sadhar. The ones who believe, they not only carry themselves, they not only elevate themselves, but they also elevate their whole family. The family gets benefited. It is said that if one person is good in the village, the whole village becomes good. Mane parvare sadhar. Mane tare tare gur sikh. The ones who believe, they not only swim across this worldly ocean successfully, but they also take many along with them. Mane pave mokh dwar. Mane parvare sadhar. Mane tare tare gur sikh. Mane nanak pave na pik. The ones who have believe in the God, then their living status is also risen. They don't go in for begging. Their lifestyle changes. Mane pave mokh dwar. Mane parvare sadhar. Mane tare tare gur sikh. Mane nanak pave na pik. They don't beg then. They know that their Lord will take care of not only themselves but also others in the family. ऐसा नाम निरंजन होए जेको मन जाने मन कोय. Only the ones who have tasted this glory know the taste of it. In case I have faltered anywhere, I request my listeners to kindly let me know and comment and subscribe to this channel so that uh, I can correct myself. ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾਂ ਮਾਫ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।